Hi there, this is Paul from the Video Dashboard team, and along with my business partner Sid Devar, I would like to welcome you to Video Dashboard. Now, Video Dashboard is a revolutionary cloud-based technology that has been close to a year in the making. It is a brand new cutting-edge technology that solves every single issue you might have been facing when it comes to generating more customers for your business for free. It works on all devices, including your mobile phones, which means you can create and publish videos while you're on the move. Video Dashboard uses 3 proven steps for you to succeed. Step number 1 is the industry-first deep search technology that uses artificial intelligence to find all the hottest trending hashtags, keywords, titles, descriptions, content, and influencer posts on a minute-to-minute basis, which means they get updated regularly to analyze exactly what your competition and successful businesses or brands in your industry are doing to get free traffic, leads, and sales for their business. This thorough competitive analysis removes all the guesswork completely, as you know exactly what type of videos are doing extremely well in any niche, industry, or language around the world, including key engagement stats such as likes, shares, and comments. You can even sort the content based on video or images, so you can model after these without using any creativity or hard work on your part, because everything is done for you in one single dashboard. And next, you have step number 2, which is to create the captivating videos that capitalize on the exact metrics, hashtags, and keywords from the research that you just did from the first step. We have included several ways of creating spectacular content and videos that attracts customers with complete customization and flexibility depending on your needs. First, you can use our professional 365-day video calendar with ready-made content created by our copywriters, designers, and a fully fledged video creation team for the entire year, ready to be customized and published instantly or scheduled ahead of time. We thought through everything for you. If you want more customizations, you can also use our built-in royalty-free and copyright-free video library to jazz up your videos in seconds to attract even more leads and customers. Yes, you can repurpose existing trending videos as well as a part of this customization. And we took it even a step further. As you know, one of the biggest issues when creating videos today is having to resize, edit, and change dimensions or even optimize videos, whether it is creating vertical or square videos for each platform. For example, TikTok and Instagram accept vertical videos, the kind of videos that are shot by your mobile phones with shorter video length, while YouTube, Facebook, or even Vimeo prefer horizontal video formats with longer video lengths. Our built-in custom video creator that is part of your powerful template bank offers you the ultimate flexibility, as you can now upload any existing video from your computer or mobile device, and you can even import videos created by other video creation tools into this one unified platform, and our app automatically optimizes them and resizes them for these specific platforms and gets them ready to publish right away. The third and final step completes the entire process and brings everything together, as you can now publish or even automatically schedule every single video you create across 11 of the most popular social platforms, including next generation platforms like TikTok. We even publish and integrate with emerging platforms like Reddit, Medium, and LinkedIn Video that just started allowing videos to be published into their platforms recently. So you can multiply your results with just a few more clicks by publishing the exact same videos with automatic platform-specific optimizations across every single platform and social network to ensure the best results. We handle all the platform compliance requirements behind the scenes automatically using machine learning to ensure every video that you create is designed for maximum impact, which means more traffic, leads, and sales for you. As you probably already know, Video Dashboard is the first and only technology that fully integrates with TikTok with full video automation and scheduling. TikTok is the fastest growing social media network on the planet, and according to several news media and articles, along with credible sources like the CEO of Snapchat, it is all set to be the next Instagram. This means not only do you have access to all the established platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter, but also the next generation emerging platforms like TikTok, Reddit, Medium, and other platforms are also integrated to ensure you have every avenue to profit with Video Dashboard without spending a single penny on advertising. Now, if you failed at video marketing, getting free traffic, leads, and sales before, it is not your fault. Competition and saturation has made it really difficult for people like you and me to break through until Video Dashboard came along, as you can finally now have the first movers advantage that others before you enjoyed when Instagram came along several years ago, or even when Facebook came along over a decade ago. Now, I want to show you the proof of why Video Dashboard is so powerful and why we think it's a true game changer. Here's one of our members from our beta test group, and his name is Dennis, and we asked him to post and publish videos using Video Dashboard into TikTok. And here is what we have here. This was just yesterday as we speak here, and check this out. As we speak here, we have him posting just about 2.5 hours later after he published. He already got 432 views and 9 likes and 1 follower for his very first video. And of course, this is only going to keep growing. And if I scroll down a little bit, this is another member again, as you can see here, just about a day ago. And if you click here, check this out. He's already gotten, as you can see here, about 1,000 views for his very second video and a few hundred for his first video. And if that wasn't enough, if I scroll down real quick, this is another person, and again, posted his very first video, got 127 views, but check this out, very second video, 1,077 views. Check this one. This one just came in about 16 hours ago. Check this. Jonas, right? Jonas, my first video got 12,000 views, 586 likes, 12 comments. My fourth video did well too. It's all a numbers game, right? This is what we teach you. Check this out. His profile, 14,000 views already within his first few videos. First one got 12,000, fourth one got 14,000, and has been getting 1,000 and so on consistently, just like an influencer would, right? Just like an influencer would. Okay, and I cannot stress that enough. That means he's no Kim Kardashian, he's no Khloe Kardashian with an existing following. He just posted something and got this kind of crazy results, thousands and tens of thousands of views. And this is just the start. This is just a handful of people that I've shown this to. This is why I'm so excited about it, and I cannot stress how important it is that you get in on what I'm telling you today. Because if you miss out, let's say 2 months from now, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, you're gonna be kicking yourself because you'll have to wait for another 6 years, like I've been waiting ever since Instagram and Facebook and YouTube took off, for another platform just like that to catch on, and before it became famous, before it became powerful. Okay, it's not about me, right? It's about you understanding that. And that's the reason why I'm so focused upon TikTok specifically, and the other platforms as well. Now, the reason why I'm so focused on TikTok is because if you can get results like this here, you just have to multiply it by 10 with the other 10 other platforms that we integrate with fully, right? With Video Dashboard, right? Now, just a real quick thing, if you've not seen it, I've been telling about this right now, right? The Snapchat CEO, right? His name is Evan. Evan said that he loves TikTok and it'll be the next Instagram. It's going to dethrone it. And if he, with billions of dollars of knowledge and investors and so on, if he believes it, I would listen, right? Because he's in that same industry. Now, that wasn't enough, right? TikTok surpassed Facebook, Instagram, look at this, TechCrunch, Snapchat, and so on, right? As recent as in downloads last month. And it's growing, right? And it's, you gotta understand, it surpassed them last month. It's not surpassed them fully, which means there's huge room for growth, okay? Now, these are live results of real people just like you and me, just doing really well with this. The reason why, and I'm not surprised about that, is because of supply and demand. Very few content creators are actually out there compared to the billions of users that are on TikTok and Reddit and Medium and LinkedIn Video and all these new emerging platforms that we're integrating with fully in Video Dashboard. Now, I want to take it a step further and show you my own TikTok account right here that I just created about a month ago or so. And specifically, this is a mobile app, so that's why I'm showing you on my mobile device right here so that you can see it clearly. All right, so I'll go into my account right here and go to analytics. And by the way, if you just upgrade your TikTok account for free to a pro account, you'll see this analytics section in every single TikTok account. And as you can see here, in the last 7 days, it's gotten about 357,000 views, and then that's about 7 days ago. Let's click 28 days ago. That's over 1 million views that this account has gotten for my videos. And as you can see here, that's between, as you can see, a very short period of time, right? Before then, it was all a bunch of zeros. It is because of this idea that you have to constantly keep frequently and consistently be publishing and scheduling your videos and content, which is what Video Dashboard allows, because the more consistent you are, the better your results will be. Since we integrate with 10 other platforms, you can potentially 10x your results with Video Dashboard. And no matter what business you're in, Video Dashboard can help you get more traffic, more leads, and yes, ultimately more sales. And we have step-by-step video training in a much detailed format, going over a lot of these case studies and helping you and your business use case ultimately to get you better results. And on top of that, we also have weekly training for 10 full weeks, specifically designed to have that ongoing training to help you even further and improve our application based on your feedback for a long time to come. So again, check all the details below. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and being a part of Video Dashboard.